The advantage that this has is it packs down incredibly small to deploy the system in remote locations very, very quickly. So inside the flight case are 2 of our display systems. And then on top of the flight case is the structure that supports those screens. And so by taking the lid off, taking the screens out, you can unscrew these mounting plates that allow you to align everything. We've labeled everything this side up so that you get everything the right way. And all of the system is marked with your mount points. And as you can see, it's very, very fast to put together. Right, these is a modular design where each element builds up onto the next, and then it's simply locked in place with the plates at the back. You'll receive a filler system, and that allows you to fill the water tanks that go on the back that act as a counterbalance. These structures raise up to the height that you want your displays. Adjusters allow you to get fine adjustment so that everything lines up absolutely perfectly and you get a beautiful finish. And this is a front service mount, and the screen simply hangs via the top hooks, and then it's secured by the bottom hooks. And all of the cables are color coded, ready to hook up directly to the PC and structured system in the services. All of those connectors go each to the screens 1 to 1, and then you're up and running.